Thank you. Thank you.
Everybody has pens.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
Thank you for. Just got it.
Thank you. You already had any extra rubber bands up there?
Yes, I think so. There you go. A couple. And you say you need these
No,
ones?
on the
All right, cool. Connected. Thank you, DDC. I appreciate your accommodation. Sir, state your name again.
Arsenio Washington.
This is a recall of case 1604465-801, People's State of Michigan versus Arsenio Washington. Appearance, please.
That's presided on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Washington, who waives formal reading and understands the constitutional rights he stands to.
Okay, counsel, if we can just, well, we've arraigned Mr. Washington this morning, and a bond was given on a capious bond amount of $10,000 cash surety. It's my understanding, counsel, that you or someone from your office has contacted the now assigned judge, Judge Austin Garrett, and he has authorized the court for an amendment of bond. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And what was the conversation with Judge Garrett? Or
Your Honor, I believe Judge Garrett has agreed to a $500 personal bond with the standard bond conditions, including the no contact.
Thank you, Sister Counsel. And so, Mr. Washington, your counsel has, behind the scenes, as always, continued to work hard and advocate on your behalf. And based on that advocacy, sir, your bond has now went from a $10,000 cash surety down to a $500 personal bond. So you're being released on this matter. And Mr. Washington, based on that, your court date has changed. So your new court date, sir, is going to be scheduled for a sentencing date on November the 10th, which is Tuesday, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge Austin Garrett. As with the prior court date given, Mr. Washington, that hearing November 10th will be heard via Zoom, which is an off-site streaming technology. Before you're released, you'll get information on how to connect for that hearing, but it is your responsibility to connect on time. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Washington, your counsel has stated, cannot say enough, the difference in the bonds. You're being released. It's very important that you listen to the court and make that hearing date so you don't get locked up just for not showing up for a Zoom hearing. That makes sense, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the bond conditions will remain the same in that you are not to purchase or possess a firearm or any other dangerous weapon, and you are still to have absolutely no contact with Jamesa Rogers, which means, as stated, no contact of any kind. No contact orally, in writing, through a third person at their place of residency, employment, or through any form of social media. Absolutely no contact with Miss Rogers. Is that understood? Yes?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Washington. And based on the information provided by counsel after speaking with the assigned judge, Austin Garrett, bond will be amended to a $500 personal bond. No weapons, no contact with Miss Rogers. Good luck, Mr. Washington. Make sure to attend the hearing date, sir. DDC, thank you for your accommodations. I appreciate y'all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Your Honor, for recalling the case. Appreciate it.